Oh my gosh, this woman wore a short dress to test a chiropractor, wanting to see if he was legitimate or not. Her friends had warned her that chiropractors were fake and only wanted to touch their clients' bodies. In terrible pain and barely able to walk, so she entered his clinic anyway, thinking, no way this guy can help me. She almost walked out, but then, with one big crack, everything changed. She was shocked at how carefully he worked his magic, undistracted, as her pain vanished. Before we reveal her new look, a quick question. Would you choose good health or bad health? If you pick good health, like and subscribe and hit the join button to become a channel member. In the end, her short dress plan revealed the chiropractor's true skill.
Okay, now same thing other side.